How to export Claude AI conversations. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Claude AI and make sure that you are logged into your Claude AI account. Now, in order to export your conversation, firstly tap on your profile icon on the bottom left of your screen, and in the menu that appears, tap on the settings option. Here you will see the option for privacy. Tap on it and then tap on the export data option under the your data tab. Here you will see the option for export data. Tap on it, and with this particular interface will allow you to create a downloadable link that will be sent to your email. So go ahead and select the conversations from which you want to download and then tap on the export button you see there. And with this, the link will be created and sent to your email. So go ahead and open your mailbox and then navigate to the email sent by Claude. And with this, as you can see here, the download data option. So this basically means that your conversation has been exported. So tap on the download data option you see there, and with this your data will be downloaded into a zip file in your device. You can then open it and then go ahead and share it with anyone and everyone that you want. So this was about how you can export Claude AI conversations. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.